Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the elephant from Roblox Adopt Me Pets. So let's get started. To draw this cute elephant, let's first start by drawing a circle for the eye. So I'm going to come right here and draw a good size circle. I'm going to come to the edge right here with another circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. Okay, so we have one big circle in, and then let's come to the side. So I'm going to start with the top of my eye, come out a little bit, imagining a bridge area. So say about right here. Just give myself a point. From there, I'm going to draw a slight curve. So I'm going to start the bridge area where the trunk is going to start to come from. So just draw a curve like that, and then I'm going to bring this down with a curve coming out. So we're starting to draw the trunk area. So then this part is going to go up and come around for the head. So that's your first goal right there. Then from there, to just make it a little bit easier to see what's going on here, come to the center of your eye, come straight down about in this area, imagining a trunk. So about right here. I'm going to give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to start to curve out and draw my trunk. So now it's coming together. We're going to bring this down, and it's going to get thinner and thinner. Okay, so let's see here. Let's bring, it's all up to you how long you want your trunk to be. So say about right there. We're going to start to taper it in, bring it out a tiny bit. And I'm going to follow my curve. And about right there, I'll round it off and connect it. There. So your basic trunk. And then from there, let's bring this up a little bit more for the top of the elephant's head. So we're going to bring it all the way up and stopping kind of like where the eye ends. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the other eye. So coming across, it's going to be in this area. So just imagine that. So about right here, I'll pop in a curve for the other eye and shape this all in black. There, now it's coming together, right? So let's come back up here and about in this area, now that we've passing the eye, let's come up with a little tuft of hair for elephant, and then continue down. And about in this area right here, I'm just going to tuck in the curve, come around for the head. So then we're going to start to need to draw the ear. So about right here in this area, I'm going to come up with a big curve, and we're going to draw the elephant's ear. So let's bring the curve down, coming around the eye, and about right there, I'll stop, and let's continue this big ear here, curve, and in. So then now you can go ahead and just finish off this curve and tuck it in. So some details, and then you can just finish off your curve on top. And for some details right here, we're just going to draw a curve following the outside and then tucking it in. And just tuck it in. Okay, so now for the other ear. It's going to pop out about in this area. And we're going to bring it all the way down, kind of to where the eye is. There. So we're going to just cheat and then just tuck it in so you don't have to color anything in there. Just make the eye slightly bigger. Okay, so then from there, same thing, we're going to draw curve out and then taper it in. There, finally all done with the head. And then I'm going to come on top of this eye and just draw a soft curve. And kind of in this area right here where it kind of dips. I'm just going to come in here and draw a soft curve. Maybe another one, let's see. Okay, yeah. If it doesn't work, I'll erase it. See how it looks. Okay, so then from there, the body is much simpler. It's just a big oval. So about right here, and say about right here, I'll start with this big oval. And we don't want it too long because we want it cute, right? So just a short little oval. Right there, and then connect. Okay, let me fix my curve here a little bit. I got too sharp on the back area. Okay, now I made a mess, but that's the general idea. You just want this soft little oval right here for the body. And then let's draw the tail. So tail kind of pops out about in this area. I'm just going to draw a curve that comes out, and then a little, kind of like a paintbrush shape for the tail. And then the feet, the hovering feet, right? The floating feet, I mean. So come down here, about in this area. I'm just going to start with a curve. Just give it some space. And I'm going to draw a big curve because elephants have big feet. Start with my first one. And then I'm going to come right across so it's at this angle and draw another one about right here. So we don't want to go past the body. And draw another one. So now to draw the back feet, let's use this one as my guide. I'm going to come right across about this area and draw the other one. So about right here. And our goal is to try to make it about the same size each one. So I got one, and then I have to draw another one just like the other side. So right there. There, so I have my 4 feet in, and that is pretty much it, except, you know what, I'm gonna put a heart on this elephant right here. I forgot if I did that with all my other Roblox Adopt Me Pets, but the elephant just needed a heart right here. So hopefully you love how this elephant from Roblox Adopt Me Pets turned out, and I've helped you make it fun and easy to draw along with me. Please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification as well if you haven't already, and thank you so much for watching. See you later.